Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you to create another Instagram account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Instagram app, and then from here click onto your name and then click on add account, and then what you want to do is click on create new account, and now here give it a username like so. Click on next. Now give it a password, then click on next, and now we'll say here welcome to Instagram, then your username. We'll add the email phone number from your previous channels. You can update this info anytime in settings or enter a new info now. So now what you want to do is click on complete sign up. Now it's registering, and then you'll come across to this page. You can skip or continue. I'm going to go ahead and click on skip again. You can sync your contacts to find your friends. I'm going to skip this too. You can add a profile photo here. So to do that, just click on add a photo and then go through your camera roll to find that photo. But for this demonstration, I'm going to click on skip. Invite friends to follow you. Share your profile with friends so they can start following you. I'm going to click on skip again. And that's it guys, how to create another Instagram account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.